Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, NEO, currently trading for $7.77. What's our pathway to a new all-time high for NEO? We have seen NEO get to as high as $134 in April 2021. Right now in the bear market, it has lost more than 94% of its value. Where are we going to face significant resistance when we try to pump to new all-time highs? Can we take out the all-time high we set in January 2018 when we saw NEO trading for around $180? In this video, we'll be taking a look at the NEO US dollar price chart from when NEO was launched in September 2016. We'll also be looking at NEO's performance against Bitcoin over the years, NEO's performance against Ethereum, and then we'll also take a look at NEO's market cap. Currently, it has a market cap of $544 million. How high can the market cap go by the end of the next bull run? We saw the market cap get to as high as $9 billion in May 2021. Can we take out the all-time high we set in January 2018 when we saw NEO market cap shoot to as high as $12 billion? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, we're deep in the crypto bear market. All coins are down really bad. We have all coins down 70, 80. Some all coins are down more than 95% from their 2021 all-time high. In the case of NEO is down 7.9% in the last 1 month. It's down 82.3% in the last 1 year. This is the NEO US dollar price chart from when NEO was launched in September 2016. We saw NEO go from as low as $0.09 in February 2017 to as high as $182 by January 2018. Glorious pump, NEO went up more than 185,000% in 329 days. And guys, if you have invested $1,000 in NEO in February 2017, by January 2018, that $1,000 would have returned over $1.8 million. Very crazy, very outrageous, but that's what all coins can do. They can pump to the moon. The flip side to that is that when the market is dumping, they can dump really well to Goblin Town. And we have seen NEO since 2018 not being able to set a new all-time high. We went through the 2018-2019 bear market. NEO lost more than 97% of its value, dropping to as low as $4.1. When the 2021 bull run came around, NEO went from as low as $4.1 to as high as $140. Another impressive pump, we saw this altcoin pump more than 3,300%, which meant a $1,000 invested in NEO by March 2020 should have returned over $33,000 by May 2021. Right now, NEO is in its second official crypto bear market, and we have seen the price plummet since when we got to as high as $132 in May 2021. It has dropped to as low as $7.7 in October 2022. NEO is almost taking out the lows we set during the COVID sell-off. But guys, if this low holds for NEO in this bear market, where are we going to face significant resistance when we're pumping to higher prices? I'll also be showing you how high I believe NEO's market cap can go by the end of the next bull run. First level you want to watch out for, where we're currently trading, the $7.77 level. If we lose this level, I won't be shocked to see NEO coming back to test this COVID lows around the $4.3 level. All coins are very, very volatile, so you want to be prepared for any scenario. But if this proves to be the bear market bottom for NEO, first level you want to pay attention to would be this $12.1 level. NEO tried to rally to higher prices by August 2022. We got rejected off that level. The first time we saw NEO struggling against the $12.2 level in 2022 was in May 2022. We couldn't go above that level. Right now we are stuck below $12.12 level. If we're pumping to higher prices in the future, you want to pay close attention to what NEO will be doing around that price. If you take a look at NEO's previous price history, that level has been pivotal for us. We got a bounce off that level in December 2020, got rejected off that level in June 2020, and there are different times in NEO's price history where that level has been pivotal, so you want to pay close attention to that level. see what will be happening to NEO's price when we get to that point in the future. The next level I'll be paying close attention to will be the $25.7 level. NEO was trying to pump to new all-time highs in September 2020 after it has dropped to as low as $4.3. We dumped, we got to as low as $12.1 level, we caught a bounce, but when we got back to that $25 level, we saw that NEO had to consolidate for about a month before we tried to set new all-time highs, which saw NEO get to as high as $141. Even when NEO was dumping to Goblin Town, we got a bounce around that level in 2021 July when we had a mini bear market. When all coins were going to the moon in November, December, NEO couldn't set higher prices than we had in May 2021. But before NEO started dumping, we had to consolidate around that $25 level. The last time we saw NEO trading above $25 was in March 2022 when we went to as high as $28. Since then, NEO has dropped to as low as $7.6, losing more than 75% of its value. So you want to pay close attention to what NEO will be doing when we get to this $25 region in the future. Once we get above that level and we're pumping to higher prices, I will now be paying close attention to what NEO's price will be doing around this $52, $54 level. When we were pumping to higher prices in 2017, that was where NEO started finding resistance. Before we started dumping, we came down to as low as $13 before NEO went to set new all-time highs. Even if you pay close attention to what NEO was doing when it was dumping in the bear market, we caught a bounce off that $52 level in April 2018. After NEO lost that $52 level by June 2018, NEO was not able to reclaim that $52 level till February 2021 when we went to as high as $54. We still got rejected off that level because that level has been acting as resistance for more than 3 years. When we went pumped to new higher prices, we got to as high as $141. NEO couldn't sustain that price movement, and that $54, $55 level was just holding us down till NEO finally gave up and started dumping. From the 8th of November 2021, that was the last time we saw NEO trading around that $50 region. NEO has dropped to as low as $7.7. It has lost more than 85% of its value from November 15, 2021. So you want to pay close attention to what NEO's price will be doing when we get to that $52 region in the future. If we can get above that level, we just have two major levels you want to pay attention to: the $9,600 level and the previous all-time high we set in 2018. That's around the $170, $180 level. If NEO can get above all these various resistances and we're pumping to higher prices, how high can it go by the end of the next bull run? If we use the Fibonacci retracement tool for NEO, from the top that came in for NEO on the 8th of January 2018 to the COVID blues that happened for NEO around $4.2, according to Fibonacci retracement tool, we can see the price of NEO getting to as high as $820 by the end of the next bull run. From where NEO is currently trading right now, for it to get to the 2018 all-time high, we have to see it go up over 2,300%, and for it to get to the end of this Fibonacci retracement tool, we have to see the price of NEO go up over 9,000%. A $1,000 invested in NEO right here should return over $90,000 if we get to the end of this Fibonacci retracement tool. Guys, let's take a look at some details about NEO. In the last 1 year, we have seen this coin go from as high as $53.42 to as low as $7.38. With a market cap of $545 million, NEO has a fully diluted market cap of $774 million. Out of a total supply of 100 million NEO coins, we have over 70 million NEO coins in circulation. Currently ranked 67 on CoinMarketCap, we have over 266,000 people that have NEO on their watch list. NEO builds itself as a rapidly growing and developing ecosystem that has a goal of becoming the foundation for the next generation of the internet, a new economy where digitalized payments, identity, and assets come together. Where can you get some NEO if you want to get some to hold through the bear market? You can get some NEO on Binance, on Qcoin, on Bitfinex, on Wobi Global, on Gate.io, and anywhere you get your favorite altcoins. If you take a look at NEO's performance against Bitcoin, after it had the initial pump when it was launched in 2016, we first saw it dump, then it pumped, outperforming Bitcoin in the next 343 days by over 18,000%, meaning one Bitcoin invested in NEO in February 2017 should have returned more than 181 Bitcoins by January 2018. After this kind of huge rise in the value of NEO against Bitcoin, NEO has been losing value against Bitcoin since then, steadily dropping, Now it's down more than 97% from that all-time high we set in 2018. For NEO to set a new all-time high against Bitcoin, it has to outperform Bitcoin by over 3,400%, which means one Bitcoin invested in NEO right now should return more than 34 Bitcoin if we can break the previous all-time high. If we take a look at NEO's performance against Ethereum, it's similar to its performance against Bitcoin. After it was launched, it had a dump against Ethereum, losing more than 94% of its value in the process. But when NEO started outperforming Ethereum, we saw it rally up more than a 5,000% increase. One Ethereum invested in NEO in March 2017 would have returned more than 52 Ethereums by January 2018. But NEO has been steadily dumping since when it set that all-time high. We have seen NEO lose more than 97% on its Ethereum pairing, just like it has done on its Bitcoin pairing. And for NEO to set new all-time highs against Ethereum in the future, we have to see it outperform Ethereum by over 2,700%. One Ethereum invested in NEO right now should return more than 27 Ethereum if we can break the previous all-time high. And for NEO's market cap, we couldn't set new all-time highs in 2021. We just fell shy of the previous all-time high we set in January 2018 when NEO had a market cap of over $12 billion. In 2021, NEO's market cap could only get to as high as $9.7 billion. By the end of the next bull run, if we use the Fibonacci retracement tool from the top that came in for NEO to the bottom that came in during the COVID sell-off, we can see that there's a possibility that we might see NEO's market cap get to as high as $50 billion by the end of the next bull run. From where we're currently trading right now, around $540 million, NEO's market cap will have to go up about 8,700%. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Right now, we're deep in the crypto bear market. Do you think NEO can take out the all-time high we set in January 2018? Do you think we'll ever see NEO get to as high as $500, $600, maybe even as high as $800 by the end of the next bull run? Will you be adding more NEO right now to your moon bag? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.
1, 2, 3.